Hey everybody, how's it going? In this video we're going to discuss how to update firmware on a ConveyLinx card. First thing we're going to do, on PulseRoller.com we're going to download the desired firmware. I'm going to grab 510, which is the newest at the time for the ERSC. So now back on EasyRoll Plus. If you haven't yet, go and discover modules. This will bring up your connected modules. And on the left hand side, right click Firmwares, Add Firmwares, and browse to the firmware file that you just downloaded. So now on the discovered modules list, we'll click the IP address we're going to upgrade firmware. On the right hand side, we'll click Upgrade, and this will open up a window where we can select which firmware we're going to upload to the card. This will only show firmware that's compatible with the cards we've selected. So I'll select this IP address and click Upload. This is an important notification. Please ensure that power is not disrupted or cycled during the firmware update process, but also do not disconnect your PC until the firmware process is completed. So now we'll click OK, and the firmware update process will take anywhere from 30 seconds to 3 minutes depending on the size of the network and the amount of cards that you're updating. So I'm going to let this one show in real time here. That way you can get an accurate idea of what kind of messages you'll be seeing during the update process. Okay, so now that we've received the success update window, now we can disconnect our PC or cycle power if we need to. If you want to make sure that the firmware is updated, you can click the IP address and go to the General and IP tab, and you'll see the new firmware is uploaded into the card. Alright, be sure to subscribe to PulseRoller on YouTube for more helpful videos, and I'll see you next time.